Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard once again. Omar, Ahmed, we are here to ensure you have a comfortable and enjoyable flight. To share a few important details about today's flight. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened while seated in case of any turbulence. We'll be starting our onboard service shortly, beginning with the ordered meals followed by onboard purchases. You can find the Sky Cafe menu in our seat pockets. Payment can be made by card or cash. For your entertainment, enjoy our complimentary SkyTime flight service by connecting to the SkyTime network on your device in airplane mode. Support communities by investing in education and healthcare projects. To learn more about our charity cloud initiatives, visit the SkyTime portal. You can now make a difference by donating any currency notes or coins using the envelope in your seat pocket. A warm welcome to our Air Rewards loyalty program members. If you're not already a member, join the